Salvete discipuli legamus de Cicerone et Amicitia hodie. Ego, that is Cicero's talking, and he's talking again on the nature of friendship here. Ego vos hortor ut amicitiam omnibus rebus humanis anteponatis. So, hortor is a verb which means I urge. And it can take a ut clause with a subjunctive, which is why ponatis is subjunctive with that ut. Call that an indirect command. I urge you all to place in primary sequence with the present time main verb friendship over all human things. Sentio equidem excepta sapientia nihil melius homini a deis immortalibus datum esse. Datum esse is a infinitive in the perfect passive. We'll learn more about that, but sentio here is setting up an indirect discourse with the invisible that. So he's saying, I know, in fact, indeed, that with wisdom as an exception, that's an ablative absolute, there is nothing better than friendship that is given to people from or by the immortal gods. Divitias alii anteponunt alii salutem, alii potestatem, alii honores, multi, etiam voluptates. So he's saying other people, or some, alii, we remember that as a rhetorical device called anaphora when he's repeating that, and it's also a syndeton because there's no et here. We saw that before in Catiline. So some put riches in front of friendship, and friendship is implied. Others put health, others power, others honor, and many even their desires. But those things, however, are uncertain. Posita non tam in consulis nostris quam infortunae vicissitudinibus. Vicissitudinibus is in some sort of uncertain changes. So those aren't the uncertain things, that is, riches, health, power, honor, and desire, are not so much in our plans as in the changing of our future. So they're not good, they're not as good. Or fortune, they're not as good. They're not always going to be there like friendship is. Qui autem in virtute summum bonum ponunt, bene illi quidem facunt. So those who, qui, place the highest good in virtue, bene illi quidem facunt, do well for themselves. They'll succeed. Sed ex ipsa virtute amicitia nascitur, but from that very virtue, friendship is born, comes out. And friendship is not able to be without virtue. Denique ceterae res quae petuntur opportunae sunt rebus singulis. Divitiae ut eis utaris, honores ut lauderis, salus ut dolore careas et rebus corporis utaris. So we have, again, these apparently indirect commands again. And he's saying, finally or at last, the rest of those things which are sought, that is, that does not include friendship, are suitable individually as singular entities. Riches, so that you may use them, honors, so that you may be praised, health, so that you lack grief and can use your body, Amicitia res plurimas continet. But friendship contains very many things, much more than just one thing on its own. Nullo loco excluditur. It is excluded in no place. Nunquam intempestiva. It is never unseasonable. Nunquam, again, this repetition. Nunquam molesta, never annoying or troublesome. And in fact, non aqua non igne in locis plurimis utimur quam amicitia. We don't use water, we don't use fire in more places than we use friendship. Quam amicitia. This is a quam comparison with pluribus here. Nam amicitia secundas res clariores facit, et adversas res leviores. For in fact, friendship makes adverse things clearer. Secundas and adversas can be sort of synonyms. I guess we can say friendship makes uncertain things clearer and adverse things lighter, that is, not as burdensome. So we're going to stop there for this week, and hopefully this helped you in your reading. Valete omnes.